cake batter cookies with a frosting that is to die for. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making kind of a copycat on one of those fun cookie house cookies. If you see the frosting pattern, you'll know which one I'm talking about. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Okay, I'm adding 1.5 cups of softened butter along with 1.25 cups of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar that's been packed to a stand mixer. I'm gonna mix that and cream it together. And then I'm adding in 2 large eggs, some cake batter extract, which is super important to make these taste like cake, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and some salt. Then you're gonna add in 4 cups of all-purpose flour, mix that together until a cookie dough forms, add in your favorite color sprinkles. I'm using a cup of rainbow sprinkles here until it's a nice cookie dough. Now you're gonna scoop this. Now you can make these as big or as little as you want, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon, or do what I'm doing, which is a 3 tablespoon cookie. You have to press these flat on the cookie sheets before you bake them because they won't spread very much. Bake those until they're nice and light golden. And then we're gonna make our frosting with some butter and powdered sugar, more cake batter extract to make these taste like cake. Heavy whipping cream is my secret. And once they are baked, we're gonna frost these with a round tip. I love swirling that frosting on because everyone knows what that frosting looks like and represents. But if you wanna just use a knife, you totally can do that too. See how soft these are, and with that frosting, this is an epic combination. It's like cookies that taste like cake. You can't get much better than that. You could use any kind of sprinkles in this. I'm gonna make these all year long with different color sprinkles. Leave me a comment, let me know what other copycat recipes you wanna see, and keep watching for even more desserts.